Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am pulling out the camera super fast because I got a package and I'm super excited to open it. So I thought I would hop on and open it with you. So recently MINA BAIE released one of their nylon colors from the vault. So the color's name is Viola Gray, and this is a color that they released before. It sold out super quick. It was very popular and they only made it in a few of their styles. So this time around they relaunched the same color in a few more styles, and one of them is a bag that I have not had in a minute, and they have updated it quite a bit. So inside the box, first bag I got, this is their Lundini. So this is their toiletry travel makeup bag, and it is one of the best makeup bags I have ever used. I do own the black one, but let me show you this color. The color is so pretty. It's like this perfect greasy neutral gray, and it has silver hardware, and then on the inside you get loops in there for putting in your serums and mascara and things like that. And then on the other side here there is a zipper pocket over there. It's nice and wipeable. The color is beautiful. So I snagged one of those. Then I also grabbed, this is like what I was so excited for. So MINA BAIE has this tiny crossbody. Well, actually it's called the fanny, so it's a fanny pack, but they designed it to be worn both ways. So this is that bag. So it comes with a long strap that can go through this leather loop here, and you can wear it traditional fanny pack style, but it also comes with D-rings on the side, which is super cute, and you can attach it there and wear it crossbody. I have this bag in leather and I love it. It's perfect for kind of, if you have a bigger diaper bag, you can kind of throw this inside and have like your mom bag, and then it's like little capsules, and you just take the mom capsule out when you're on your own. But that's what the inside looks like. It has credit card slots, a slip pocket, a place for your pen, two other elastic pockets on this side. So they really hold true to their designs, where they make sure that even in their smaller bags there's a place for everything, and that's something I love so much about their brand. Then I also got one of the bigger bags. Actually, let's do the other accessory first. I can't decide, it's also good. Okay, so this is their changing kit, and I snagged this because of this bag that I purchased and the way they changed the design of it. So with this kit, oh, they have it all wrapped up, but inside here the pouch is the same color as this, but it's just a rectangular pouch, and within it you get a wipes case and a wet bag and a changing mat, which is rather large. So even though my son is 1.5, that changing mat is still plenty big for him, which I appreciate. A lot of times you get bags and the changing pad is made for a newborn, and he's not a newborn anymore. So I'm excited for that because I grabbed the new Amelia in this nylon color. Now I have had this bag before. Gosh, look how pretty that is. Their nylon is so high quality, like it feels strong and durable. Let me move this box out of the way. So I've had this bag before in their beautiful leather. However, since I've had it, they have changed the design. So with the original Amelia, you got a laptop sleeve, and then it had their traditional organization inside. Well, with the redesign, they removed the laptop sleeve, which makes the bag a lot more spacious. So before there was a thick padded laptop sleeve here, then you had this zipper, and then all of the other pocketing remained the same. However, with that laptop sleeve, once you had all the pockets full, you didn't really have a ton of room. So with this redesign, it gives you a lot more space in the center of the bag, and I think it's just going to be lighter and more flexible. But that is the reason I bought the diaper clutch, so that I can use the pockets the way I traditionally would. And then my thought is that I can have the fanny and the diaper clutch in the center of the bag. So if I have the kids with me, I take the whole bag. If I'm just going out by myself or for a quick errand, I just grab the fanny. So that's everything that I got. I will do packing videos soon of all of these products. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope you have a great day, whatever you are doing. Bye!